Hey everyone, in this video we're going to see how to withdraw from MetaMask to your bank account. Log in to your MetaMask wallet and select the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. Click on the Send button and enter the Binance deposit address. Confirm the transaction and wait for the funds to arrive in your Binance account. Because we are going to transfer your crypto from MetaMask to Binance and then withdraw your crypto from Binance to your bank account. After you do that, log into your Binance account. Place your cursor on Trade and then click Binance Convert. Select the crypto you want to sell and the fiat you want to receive. Click Preview Conversion. Click Convert. After that, you have 10 seconds to convert in previewed rate. After that, place the cursor on Wallet and click Fiat and Spot. Select Withdraw. Because you want to withdraw fiat in your bank account, click Withdraw Fiat here. This will open a new tab in your browser. Click Continue. Add credit or debit card number, expiry date and security code. Now you've added your card in Binance, you can add Visa or MasterCard. Once you have entered your card information, proceed to enter the withdrawal details such as the amount to be withdrawn and the account to receive the funds. Withdrawals charge a 1.8% fee. Now enter security verification code in order to verify your phone number. A code will be sent via SMS to your phone number. Once received, copy, paste and proceed to submit your request for withdrawal. Money will take few moments to arrive in your bank account. As simple as that. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.